All right. Hey guys, I know it has been so long and I'm so sorry. I really apologize. But today, since it is fall or the holiday season, which I'm so excited for, and I thought, okay, we need to do a look for fall and holidays. And obviously I'm going to be doing more of these looks, but this one's more fall related. It has more orange colors and all that good stuff. So like and subscribe if you like this, and turn the little notification bell on if you want to get notified every time I post videos. And let's get right into the video. Alright, so I already have my foundation on, and I use Tarte Shape Tape. The foundation in color Medium Tan Honey. So I already have that on because I've put my foundation on in my videos so many times, so you just can skip that part. So for today's eye look, I'm going to be using the Morphe 350 palette. Right, so I'm going to start off by taking my Morphe Y16 brush. It's just a fluffy blending brush. I'm going to take these two colors and use that for my base. I look so scary. Alright, next I'm going to take this orangey-ish color and put that in my crease. So next we're going to take a more of a deeper, richer brown color and put that on the corners of our eye. Next we're going to take a darker brown and really only keep it right in this area. Alright, so now we're gonna cut our crease, and we are gonna use our Tarte Shape Tape concealer, should clarify, and this is just the color light neutral. So I'm going to take the top off like this, and then I just have an angled brush, like an eyebrow brush or something, and I'm just gonna dip some on. Alright, so I'm going to stop right here and then fill it in. Alright, so it's going to look like that. I know it looks super funky. Promise you it's not going to turn out like that. And now I'm going to do the exact same thing to my other eye. Alright, this is as good as it's going to get, and we're just going to stop touching it before it gets worse. Alright, so next I'm just going to take a brush like this, just a flat brush, and I'm going to take this gold color and just pat it on. I'm going to mix it a little. So next I'm going to go back and take those two darkest colors that we were using before. I'm going to place them right on the edge and try to blend this line. Alright, Alright, so that is it for now for the eyes. And now we're going to go into our concealer. And I'm still going to use the Tarte Shape Tape in light neutral. And I'm also going to use this concealer to clean up the edges.
Sun in the sky, sun in the sky, you know how I feel. Birds flying high.
What I do is I just take the tip of my beauty blender and kind of shape out how I want the edge of my eyeshadow to be. And then I'm going to put some concealer on my forehead and bridge of my nose. Alright, next I'm going to take my NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer in the color Light 2 Vanilla, like this. And just because I want an extra bright under eye, I'm just going to put a little bit right here. And a little bit right here. Right, after I have all that blended in, I'm going to take my setting powder, which right now I'm still using the RCMA translucent powder. It looks like this, and I just pour it into this little plastic container thing. And I'm going to take my Morphe Y3 fluffy brush and just set everywhere that I had applied concealer. Rising time! Since I am in school right now and don't have any money, I am resorting back to my favorite drugstore bronzer, which is the NYX matte bronzer. Looks like this. So focus. And then it's in the color Deep Tan. Now I'm just gonna take my, I call it my bronzer brush. I don't know what it is or where it's from. Ooh la la. Me when my camera shuts off for only being on for 20 minutes. Cool. Alright, so next we are, oops. Well, I can't find it, so we are just so crooked. This is just gonna have to do. So I can't find the bronzer I'm looking for, so I'm just gonna use the e.l.f. Golden bronzer. All it says is golden, so we're gonna go with that. Right, so that's that. And then for blush, we're gonna go in with the Revolution, the matte blush powder in the color Nude. So it's like this. I'm gonna go back and take this whatever brush. I'm gonna take a little and put it on the tip of my nose. Since it is getting colder out, I love the look of like a red nose. Just like a little cold nose. Oh. So after that, we're gonna go in and take the MARYLOU-MANIZER highlighter. Like that. We're gonna take this brush. Seriously, whatever brush will do. These are just the brushes I use. And add some highlight to our face. And since our eyes are so glittery, this is all I'm going to add, so it doesn't take too much away from the eyes. Okay, I kind of overdid it with the blush, so we're gonna just mix that right in. And then I'm gonna take this little flat brush for my under eyes. I think we're gonna do the oranger colors. Let's see how that looks. Yeah, I like that. Ooh. And then maybe take a little brown and put it right on the corner so it's not too orange. Alright, so I'm gonna take my Little Baby Smashbox Super Fan Mascara. And, come on. I don't know if I don't know. But, come on. So I'm just going to use this for right now and put a coat of mascara on my lashes. As always, I'm going to use my Ardell Wispies and the Duo Glue. The Duo Glue in clear. While that eyelash is drying, I'm going to do my eyebrows. How good am I? Good. And then we're going to take our eyebrow setting gel from European Wax Center. You can open it. And just dust that across our brows. I'm really annoyed lately because this eyebrow is just not cooperating with me these days. And I don't understand why, but it's not. No matter what I do to try to make it look like this one. Also, I've been thinking of some new video ideas, and I'm thinking I want to do something like Sunday sit downs and just talk about life. So let me know if you guys would be interested in that. I mean, it's just, you know, an idea I had, and I thought it'd be kind of cool. I mean, regardless of what you guys say, I'll probably do it, but just a little heads up. And after my eyelash glue is dried, we're going to put on some eyeliner. And by the way, the eyeliner I'm using is just this e.l.f. liquid eyeliner. Not my fave, but it's the only thing I have right now. Ooh, sassy. Yes. Pretty. We'll worry about that later. And then to finish the makeup portion of this look, we're going to take our Morphe Y20 brush. Alright, we're going to take our Graveyard Girl Swamp Queen palette by Tarte, and we're going to take the color Gator Wings, which is right there. And we're going to put that in the corners of our eyes and under our brow bone. Okay. And then for lipstick, I'm thinking like an orangey tone-ish one that will match our eyes. Yeah, we're gonna do it. Okay, so I'm going to be taking Superstay Matte Ink by Maybelline, like so, and it's in the color 75 Fighter. A white ball should go off my lips. Yep, this is the one. And I typically don't use a lip liner with this lipstick because it's matte and because it stays so well, if you guys were wondering. Alright guys, so that is it for this makeup look. I hope you guys enjoyed, and we'll see you later.